In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the new Excel UI scan and how to use it. With Tricentis Tosca 14.2, we introduced the Excel UI Engine 3.0. To access this, simply start Xscan by right-clicking on a module folder and select Scan, then Application. When the Select Application window appears, right-click on the Excel application in the list and select Excel UI. You can see that the Xscan now lists all the controls in your Excel from application buttons to items in the spreadsheets. You can either select the controls from the list or use the function Select on Screen to select what you need. With the Excel UI engine, it allows you to scan and steer the Microsoft Excel user interface. This includes the main application window, dialog windows, any worksheets that are currently loaded by the application, and WinForms controls embedded in worksheets. Once the module is created, you can interact with these controls in the same way you would any other button, table, or checkbox. Congratulations! You now know how to use the new Excel UI engine. For more Tosca training, be sure to check out our other videos. Also, take a look at our help guides on our support site. And as always, happy testing.